What is going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Hopefully you had an amazing weekend. Let me see here. Okay, I'm gonna share with you a quick little hack in this CRM that can save you time, energy, and effort. Again, as entrepreneurs, we are all about working smarter, not harder. So hold on here. Let me go through and share this to my groups. One second. Bear with me here. Let me know how you're doing. How are you on this Monday? Can't believe it's already May. Kind of crazy, but all good. All right, let's see here. One more. I know, I apologize. Boom. Okay. That should be everything. All right, so how to work smarter, not harder. A little CRM hack within Fractal-CRM. If you're not using Fractal-CRM, why the heck not? It is the infinitely scalable, all-in-one marketing, sales, and CRM platform. Absolutely amazing. It has before creating Fractal-CRM, I was using ClickFunnels, JotForm, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, Zapier, and I'm sure I'm missing one or two others. And this literally takes all of it into one easy to use platform, saving you not only time, energy, and effort, but also hundreds of dollars every single month, which is one of the things that quite a few of our users love. We've had users come over from Keap, from Kartra, from Kajabi, from ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign. So anyways, you can go and check it out. But what I wanted to do is show you something within the CRM, again, that can save you a little bit of time, energy, and effort. So one of the companies I'm involved with is called GrowthPoint. That's neither here nor there, I guess. But they help seven-figure brick and mortar service-based businesses, so contractors, painters, builders, etc., go from 7 to 8 figures. And so I'm building out a quick automation workflow for them. And so if you come in here and like you do again, this isn't necessarily a full-blown tutorial on how to use the software. You can go there, you can access the demo account. Check out the YouTube channel. There's different places you can go to find that out or to learn more about it. But I did want to show you a quick little hack. So when you're setting up a campaign, an automation, an automated workflow, or what have you, and you're going to send emails, you can come in here. Let me just remove this real quick, and you can put. Well, actually, let me back up just a bit. So you can set it at the email level. So you could put in your name and your email. Now, most of the time, all the emails in the workflow are going to want to come from the same person. So the first hack, just to save you a little bit of time, instead of putting this here under each email, you can come under here under settings and you can put it at a global level. So for this one, for instance, I could put David Robertson and I could put David at growthpointos.com. All right. And I could go through those and on every workflow, put that, set that up. So that does save you a little bit of time as opposed to entering it in on every single email. But you can actually take it at one step further to make it more efficient. And what you can do, and this is one of the things I love about the system, is under settings, you can come here to custom values. All right, you can come under here to custom values. And so what I did is I just created a custom value, email sender name, and email sender email. And then I put his name and the email. So now, check this out. What I can do is I can come in here, and under from name, I can come to custom value, and I can do email sender name. And from email, I can come down here and do email sender email. All right, so now, let's say all of a sudden I want these emails to come from somebody else. Or let's say he, instead of coming from David Robertson, he wants David at GrowthPoint. Or he wants David at growthpointcoaching.com. Instead of having to go back through every single workflow and update it, I can now just come in here and update this one value. And all of a sudden now, all the emails that go out will just say from David as opposed to David Robertson. So I've saved having to go through, and if you only have one or two workflows, you may be thinking, well, that's not that big of a deal. But as you start building these out and you get, 10, 20, 30 different workflows with different lead magnets, applications, call follow-ups, like you can see this starts getting rather extensive. This is a quick hack that create a custom value here. And then all you have to do is come in here and update it one time. And it updates all of your from emails because it's a dynamic field. So quick little hack. Just wanted to share that with you. If you're not already using it, I highly recommend you do use that. You can that's good enough for this morning. Showing you one. I don't want to overcomplicate it, but yeah, and then be sure to check out, if you want to give a shout out to GrowthPoint, come check out GrowthPoint. Again, this is for brick and mortar server space businesses at 7 figures. And we're offering 30-day free trial to their full program. Funnel's not quite done. I need a video there, but yeah, there's all sorts of cool things you can do. Fractal-CRM.com. You can sign up for a free account, you can sign up for your own account. You can also get access to the demo account if you just want to go in there and check it out and play around. I highly recommend you do that. All right, awesome. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, and let's go and crush the week. I'll talk to you guys later.